What it do, love crew. LTC, love team stand up. Today, we're gonna be breaking down this PERC40 beat I made last night. It's more of a dark perk beat, lots of bells and, oh shit.
Yo, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Why are you in my video, man?
Yo, what's up, I love your kind.
Yo, what's up, text-to-speech lady, but, like, what are you doing in my video, man?
Hey, my bad bro, I thought.
You thought what, man?
I thought you wanted me to take over for today.
Hey, nah, bro, I'm doing my own video today.
Aight bro, my bad.
Sorry about that, but, hey, what it do, love crew? LTC, love teen stand up, and today, we're gonna be breaking down this PERC40 beat I made last night. It's more of an old perk beat, dark plug, lots of bells, and I'm gonna just quit talking and I'm gonna show you guys the preview. Alright, so first I started with this pad from Zenology. Here's the preset, and this is what it sounds like. Next, I added this piano from Zenology. Here's the preset, and this is what it sounds like. Next, I added this other pad from Purity, Shine preset, and this is what it sounds like. And next,
Yo, I love your kind.
yo,
Can I ask you something?
what the fuck do you want, bro?
How does Perk make his beast so groovy?
You want to know how Perk makes his beat so groovy?
Yes, Nika.
Hey, I can tell you that.
I bet.
So, you see this, right? It looks normal at first glance, but if you look, the bell is slightly not on beat. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. But he has it in the middle of the second beat, so it gives it that little bit of offset, and that gives it a little bit of grooviness. And this is what it would sound like. And this is the preset. AM Bell in SQ8L. And next we have a little woodwind instrument from Purity, pan flute, little flute. This is what it sounds like. And next we have another pad from Hive this time. Here's the preset, Living Legend, just like me. And this is what it sounds like. Pretty simple. And next we have these strings from Purity. They are fast strings, And that's what it sounds like. And lastly, we have these bells, also from Purity. There's a preset Vibe Stick 1, and I just turned off the chorus and the reverb. And this is what the melody sounds like all together. Next, we have the drums. These are the hats. Here's what they sound like. Pretty simple. Next, we have the claps. Next, we have the claps. Just a standard pattern. Pretty standard. Snares. I can just play these all together. Here's what the snares sound like all by themselves. And finally, we have the 808s. That's what they sound like, and here's what the drums sound like all together. And finally, to wrap it all up, you gotta add your tags.
I have love.
And you gotta add the beat stops. And I do know a lot of people, or some people don't know how to do the beat stops. There's two ways you can do them. You can do it with gross beats, and you can also do it just by putting an automation on the master. Just right click, create automation clip, and you should have an automation clip that comes into your playlist right here. It's gonna be long. All you have to do is come in here, double click it, and it should give you this little graph. You just want to make your little beat stop. To create stopping points, just right click and do a right click next to it. Bring the second right click down, another right click right here, and a right click right below that one, and just adjust it until you have it to what you want it to be. And then you can just put that beat stop wherever you want. And here's what the beat stops sound like. You see, it just cuts out the audio, and that's how you do them. And yeah, that's the whole breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Comment below what I should do next, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.
Peace out, love crew. And make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and turn on notifications. It helps out a lot. I also want to thank you all for 50 subs. Although it may not seem like a lot, I am still very grateful for you all, and I can't thank you all enough. Enjoy this edit.
It was me and you, it was fashion week. You were dressing up at night, Margiella's all white. I was